Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So your SC deposit didn't change your bank. So, if you sit on SC, payouts can be delayed for a few common reasons. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about how to find out why your SC deposit hasn't arrived yet. So basically, all we're gonna do is open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to look for sc.com if you are using a desktop. Otherwise, it's totally fine to use the app. As for now, I'm just gonna go, basically as I told you, tap on the link, come here, log in using my email address and password to access my dashboard. Tap on Shop Manager, then go all the way to Finances. Select Payment Account. Then check for your deposit schedule. So if the funds are marked like pending, any payment reserve notice, look for any recent bank update changes. Basically, you should look for anything unusual. So if the funds are marked like as pending, it's totally fine. It's totally fine. It will be just pending. It will arrive lately. It's totally alright. If the sign shows you as it received, there is a problem, so you should go contact your bank, contact the SC support, check if there is any problem within the app or within the process. You can also check your email for verification alerts. Do all of this. As for a bonus tips or steps, deposit take 1 to 3 business days after being sent, so you can keep that in mind. Updating your bank account can temporarily pause payouts. And that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.